welcome to this video from True Factoid. The narrator of this video is an AI.
What jobs will AI never replace? Artificial intelligence is taking over, or is it? From writing code to driving cars, AI is doing things we never imagined possible. But here's a question. Are there jobs AI will never be able to replace? Psychologist. Let's start with therapists and counselors. Sure, AI can analyze words and emotions, but empathy, the ability to truly feel what someone else is feeling, is still uniquely human. A machine can respond, but only a human can truly connect. Creative artists. Next, artists, poets, musicians. Yes, AI can generate art and music, but real creativity often comes from life experience, emotion, and personal expression. AI can copy. Humans create from the soul. Primary school teachers. Teaching young children isn't just about facts. It's about patience, encouragement, and guiding young minds with care and love. That human connection? Irreplaceable. Judges/ethical decision makers. Ethical decisions involve more than logic. Judges, social workers, and leaders must consider fairness, emotion, and morality. Can AI understand justice beyond numbers? Not yet. Skilled tradespeople. Some jobs seem manual, but they're incredibly complex. Plumbers, electricians, and mechanics deal with unpredictable, real-world problems. AI can't fix a pipe it can't even see. So no, AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to work with us. And in some jobs, the human touch will always matter. Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing facts.